Hi guys, Kevin here at the Murphy Larkin Showroom today. Just in, new door, anthracite grey. We're just going to have a quick look at it here, so come on down here and have a look. So fully finished door, anthracite grey. It has a white grain texture finish on it as well. It's a dyed finish on this door. So we're just going to have a quick look, zoom in here as well. Fully finished the full way around. This door would be ideal now for a new build, or even if you're retrofitting it into an old building as well. So it has actually lots of reduction that you can do on the side of the frame, so you can plane it down no problem at all. Obviously people are very afraid then as well, oh, a fully finished door might be for you, but even if you had a small little nick around it all, because it has this kind of like a whitey grey pattern in it, a scratch around like that would probably actually really blend in really well with this door, so you wouldn't see it. It's also available as well in glass options as well, which we're going to come up here and have a quick look. So it's available as well in clear and frosted, so the frosted one would be ideal for your bathroom, ensuite, utility, whichever you want. We have it fitted then as well with our silver handle on it as well, nice square top on it as well, so it kind of measures in with this door, but you can use any handle that you wish to use on these doors of course. And on this side then we just have it here with our antique bronze. If you have any queries or anything at all on these doors, just give a shout here on Murphy Larkin. We have them on display in Clonmel as well. Thank you.